Hi everyone. In this video, we will learn how to disable right click on an image using JavaScript. As you can see, I got an image here, and if I'll try to do the right click, it will not work. So this is what we're going to achieve with this video. So let's get started. I'm using VS Code as my code editor. I already got an image file here. So let's create an index file. It will be index.html. Let's have a basic HTML structure. Add a link to the style sheet. It will be style.css. Also add a script file at the bottom. It will be script.js. We only need one image element. Remove these attributes, we don't need them. Source will be image.jpg. Save it. Now let's create a style sheet here. Style.css. Select the body element. Background color will be dark cyan. Select the image element. Display will be block. Margin will be 10 pixel and auto. Height will be 400 pixels. Border will be 2 pixels solid white. And border radius will be 5 pixels. Save it. Now let's open this file in the browser to see the output. So this is the output. Now if I'll do the right click on this image, it will work without any issue. To disable it, we have to write the JavaScript code. So let's go to code editor. Here, create script.js file. Select the image element. We'll select it by the tag, which is img. Now here we need to add an event listener that will be context menu, which will get triggered when we'll do the right click on the image element. This will be the handler function. And here we'll have the event object. Now to disable the right click, you simply need to call the prevent default method on the event object like this. So that's all what you need to disable the right click on the image element. Now just save it and go to the browser. Now let's do the right click here. And you can see it is not working. So I hope you understood how to disable a right click on an image using JavaScript. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.